All right, moving on to 4.2. This is choosing your topic, identifying potential topics. When you choose a topic for a research paper, you are making a major commitment. Ooh, that sounds scary. Your choice will help determine whether you enjoy the lengthy process of research and writing and whether your final paper fulfills the assignment's requirements. If you choose your topic hastily, you may later find it difficult to work with your topic. By taking your time and choosing carefully, you can ensure that this assignment is not only challenging, but also rewarding. And I guarantee if you choose a topic that you are interested in, that you have some knowledge of, your grade will increase significantly. So choose something that you're interested in, that you care about, that you're passionate about when doing a research project. Otherwise, the process is going to be miserable. So pick something you like. Writers understand the importance of choosing a topic that fulfills the assignment requirements and fits the assignment's purpose and audience. Choosing a topic that genuinely interests you is also crucial, and I just said that. Your instructor may provide a list of suggested topics or ask you to develop a topic on your own. Any opportunity you have to choose a topic by yourself without any sort of instruction is a great opportunity because, like I said, if you are interested in it, you will do a better job. You may find inspiration for topic ideas in everyday life. You can browse magazines. You can look at a list of topics online. They're all over Google. Also, you can do the pre-writing techniques. You can do web tools, Topicorama, which is a great name. All of these things can help you. After identifying potential topics, you will need to evaluate your list and choose one topic to pursue as the focus of your research paper. You can discuss your ideas with your instructor, your peers, run it by, your best pal and see what they think about it. Don't let them steal your topic, though. That's not good. But here's some following questions to consider. Will you be able to find enough information about the topic? Can you take an arguable position on the topic? Is the topic too broad or too narrow for the scope of the assignment? If so, can you modify the topic so it is more manageable? So when you're choosing a topic, you want to think about a topic that you can find scholarly sources and say you are for it. Then you are going to want to be able to find sources that support that, as well as sources that disagree with you, because that will show that you are not a biased writer and you can incorporate both of those opinions into your paper, and it shows that you are a fair-minded individual, which is the goal. When you are focusing on a topic, you will also need to narrow that topic so you can formulate a concise, manageable thesis. Also, if you have a larger research paper, you may just want to use a claim rather than a thesis. But most writers find that the topics they listed during brainstorming or idea mapping are too broad. Therefore, they'll need to narrow it down. For example, if you want to do the topic of gun control, then you may want to narrow that topic down to semi-automatic weapons if the word limit is on the smaller side. So that's really what that means. However, more specific choices such as the pros and cons of sexual education in kids' television programs or the physical effects of the South Beach diet, these guys are specific enough to write about without being narrow. So there are some topics that, you just kind of have to play it by ear. Determining paths of inquiry. Your free writing and preliminary research have helped you choose a focused, manageable topic for your research paper at this point. And to work with your topic successfully, you will need to determine what exactly you want to learn about it and what you want to say about it. So, you're going to have to form some research questions about your topic. This, in a way, sets goals for your research. You're going to determine a main question, which will be the primary focus of your paper, and several little baby sub-questions that you will need to research in more depth to answer the main question and support the main question. Your main research question should be substantial enough to form the guiding principle of your paper, but still focused enough to guide your research. And they give you an example here of low carbohydrate diets, which sounds terrible. But the main question, are low carbohydrate diets as effective as they have been portrayed to be by media sources? And then you can have a sub-question, who can benefit from following a low carbohydrate diet? What are the supposed advantages to following a low carb diet? And all of these different questions, which you can address in a research paper. So hopefully that kind of helps you get an idea of the type of topic that you could choose or should choose for your research paper.